This is my new Dutch oven from a company called Marquette Castings, which is a Royal Oak, Michigan-based company, small niche company, I believe, trying to get started. And they offer cast iron skillets, stainless steel skillets, and Dutch ovens. I was in the market for a Dutch oven. I looked at the expensive French ones as well as some offerings from Lodge. Um, when I came across mention of this company that I had not heard of, I was interested since I work in their home city of Royal Oak. Did some investigation and purchased this 4-quart model from their online store for $69, and they offered free shipping. It arrived in a perfect condition. Interior white enamel. I haven't yet cooked in it. I hope it can stay this lovely. The top, as you notice, is the 4-quart model. I think it's a beautiful Dutch oven, and I'll let you know in the comments eventually how I like it to cook with.